Ice, snow, and slush often come with the winter season, but that doesn't mean your car has to be in a deep freeze. Consider these tips to help prepare your vehicle for cold weather. Extreme temperature changes may affect your car, so it's important to make sure it's in working order before winter arrives. You may want to switch to a winter-grade oil to keep your engine running properly in lower temperatures. Check the owner's manual to be sure you're choosing the appropriate oil for your vehicle. Seasonal changes are a good time to make sure your car's cooling system is in working order. Ensure the battery is charged, and check the hoses to be sure the rubber is in good shape. As the temperature falls, so does the air pressure in your tires. Low tire pressure can adversely affect your car's handling, so it's important to keep your tires properly inflated. Check tire tread as well, and replace tires that are wearing down or uneven. If you're in an area with particularly severe winter weather, you may want to consider a set of snow tires. Keep your windshield washer reservoir full, so you can keep your windshield clear, even on snowy days. You may need de-icer or concentrate if you live in a particularly cold area. Also check your windshield wipers. Replace worn or dried out wiper blades to help maintain visibility, especially if a snowstorm is headed your way. Ensure your car's headlights are working in preparation for fewer daylight hours. Clean the lenses of your exterior lights and replace any burnt-out bulbs. If you have questions or are not comfortable tackling this yourself, talk to your mechanic. You may also be able to help prevent your car doors from freezing by using some cooking spray on the rubber edges or gaskets. While you should already have an emergency kit in your car, consider adding items that can be helpful in cold or snowy weather. You may want to include items like a shovel, gloves, boots, an ice scraper, and sand or kitty litter for traction on slippery roads. Winter weather presents some different driving hazards, and the cold may also affect your vehicle. With some preparation and preventive maintenance, though, you and your vehicle can be ready to handle the colder months.